What's so funny, TSM?
I know you heard about Tay Eats, Tay Eats, Tay Eats. The food was there when you were around. Tay Eats, Tay Eats, Tay Eats. I know you heard about Tay Eats, Tay Eats, Tay Eats. The food was there when you were around. Tay Eats, Tay Eats, Tay Eats.
I know you heard about Tay Eats, Tay Eats, Tay Eats. What's up, y'all? What's the dang deal? Today, y'all, is Mother's Day for me. But I did not tell you guys Happy Mother's Day in my other videos. So to all the mommies out there, Happy Mother's Day, you guys. And I'm here to celebrate it with y'all just for a little bit. I decided to order at one of my favorite restaurants, and it is Pappadeaux, y'all. So I ordered from Pappadeaux. I have some calamari, I have some trout, some spinach, and I got me a Swamp Thing margarita. And it's good. Shout out to my son because he bought this for me, y'all. Ooh. Shout out to my son, y'all. He bought this for me. But I'm not gonna take his money, y'all. I'm not gonna take my baby money. But he bought this for me, y'all. So he's so sweet. Shout out to him. Y'all. So let's get into this. I'm so excited. I don't know how I'm gonna eat this. I'm probably gonna have to put this down for a second. Y'all, I love me some Pappadeaux. I love Pappadeaux, y'all. So, by the time you guys get this video, Mother's Day will be over with. So what did you guys do for Mother's Day? Y'all let me know. Did y'all go out to eat? Did y'all just hang out with your family? I know some of y'all probably went to the spa, went to get nails done, toes done, whatever. Y'all let me know. Oh, that's so good. Let's see how I'm gonna do this, y'all. It's supposed to have like some type of sauce on here. So let's see. Yes, bomb. Look at that, y'all. Y'all, us women, we are freaking incredible. You hear me? We are incredible. But y'all, I just relaxed. I ain't do much Mother's Day is almost every day for me. You know, when I want to do something or when I want to celebrate me, y'all, I celebrate me. I do exactly just that. So whenever I want to get a massage or, you know, I want to do something special for me, I do it. I don't wait till Mother's Day at all. I love some calamari. I know some people are not a fan, but it is really good to me, y'all. Really, really good. I seen MRTV, y'all, they live. I'm gonna go back and they live after I finish this. So happy to see them though. If you watching this, hey Maria, hey Cowboy. I was in the bushes. Oh, y'all, I'm really trying to hold it up so y'all can see. But I don't know how this is working. This is so good, y'all. This is all I wanted. All I wanted for Mother's Day because I celebrate myself all year. So whatever I want, I'm not saying whatever I want, but whatever I want to do, I pretty much get. I don't wait until the day. But men could never, honey. Men could never do what we do, okay? Men could never, even on their best day. We do a lot as women. We do a lot. And not trying to discredit men or anything like that, but today is our day. It's Mother's Day, okay? So, you know, so. We are literally superhuman people. We can juggle a lot. We the doctor, we the lawyer, we the chef. You know, we the nanny, we the cook. Well, I said chef, but y'all know how it is. We the judge, we the lawyer, we all that. So y'all, our job is very, very tough. So shout out to you, Mama. Shout out to you. Happy Valentine's. Valentine, happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day, you guys. I love all of y'all. I hope you had an amazing Mother's Day. I hope that if you have someone to help you, they gave you a break for the day. You know, you just got to do whatever you want to do, or whatever it is, you know. I hope y'all really enjoyed y'all day. I'm going to go. I just wanted to come for a little bit and wish you guys that. I am going to kick my feet up, y'all. Relax. Enjoy the rest of my day. But I'm so happy I got my food. I'm a foodie. Y'all know I love food. And I'm going to kick my feet up. All right, you guys. Of course, I'll be back like the light bill. Peace.